So guys, if you want to know how do you remove emoji in just one click, then this video is for you. I'm going to teach you 2 steps that help you to remove emoji in just one click. So I've gave this application link in the description box where you can download this application and use it. So it has 2 features. I'm going to explain 2 features that. So guys, it has 2 amazing features. One is emoji remover and emoji remover on photo. For first I am going to click on second one, emoji remover on photo. So when I am clicking on there, you see it takes 1 second and then it show the icon of gallery. Just click on that and your gallery is open. Select that photo that you want to remove or add emoji. So I am going to click on this photo. If I'm going to add emoji in this photo, select any emoji that you want to add. So I'm going to add this emoji and I am removing also, don't worry about that. So I'm clicking on the remove button. It show in scroll down. So I'm clicking on that and you see after clicking on that you can see the emoji remover pop up now. So I'm clicking on here. It look like a bushy and I am removing the quick emoji and you see that this application does work 100% good. So I'm going to click on start and this time I'm clicking on first one, emoji remover, and clicking on male or female, which one you want to remove the emoji. If you want to remove from male, then you click on the male, and if you want to remove the emoji from female, then click on the female. So what difference between the face between male and human. So I'm clicking on the icon and adding an image, and after that I'm adding the image. I'm going to click on the face. I'm sorry to say that I'm clicking on the man and I want to remove emoji from women. So this does not work good for me. I am removing, but the result.com I will going to show you. So if you want to remove the emoji from ladies, and click on that humans, and that's it.